I have month-wise regional sales data. My task is to retrieve the sales of a particular month of a particular region. What I did, I just simply used named range function, and now I'm entering the month name, giving space, and the area or the region name, and I'm pressing Control Enter. I'm getting my data. How I achieve this, I'm going to explain in this video, so stay tuned till the end. For achieving this, I used name range function and also used sequence alt key to do it very fast. What I did, just I selected the range of my data by using shift control down arrow key. Now I'm coming to the formula tab using define name and just click OK. Similarly, I did shift control down arrow key. This time I'm gonna use alt sequence for defining the name, alt mmd, enter. Similarly, I did for the north and the south. Also, I defined the name, alt mmd, enter, alt mmd. Similarly, I defined the named for all my months. Now I am using equal name of the month, press tab, give space, and the region name. Press enter. I got my answer. We can use anywhere in this workbook, as I have defined the name range at the workbook level. We can check. Just go to the formula tab, click on name manager. Here we can see all the named we defined. So click over here, go to edit. Here is the name and the scope is workbook. So if I go to any other sheets, for example here, and here I would like to type April space north, I got the total sales of that particular region. Isn't wonderful? If you really like this method, just hit on the like button. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it and do comment. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.